it's your girl AP and I'm back with another video, another hair video. As you can see, your girl is blow dried. Okay, I mean, I do too much, but I did blow dry my hair and clip it, and as you can see by the title, I will be putting in black girl tape-ins. Yes, y'all, this is what I'm saying. I'm saying textured tape-ins, okay? Textured to match our texture. FYI, it is summertime. All right, summertime, and you know, I want to keep this healthy thing going. I make sure I clip my ends, I make sure I wear protective styles, I make sure I put, you know, minimum heat on my hair. So that's why your girl got these, because I'm like, all right, if I wanted to do a wet and go look, I could do a wet and go look. If I wanted to straighten it, I could straighten it. If I wanted to blow dry it, do a little, you know, messy, but I could do that. Why? Because it matches my hair texture. Girl, can't get no better than that. So the hair is by B-Tree. Oh, can you see it? Can you? B-Tree. That's a B-T-W-T-R-Y. That's what I got from it. B-Tree, okay? And they also, so it says B-Tree, and then it says sold by Colored Wigs. Either way, you can look them up on Amazon and everything they have will pop up. So they actually came with extra tape-ins, or extra tape, I want to say, for each pack. I got 2 packs, which are 40 pieces a pack, so I have 80 pieces. And I thought this was really nice. So this will be really cool for the, you know, the reinstall. We're gonna have faith, okay? It's called walking by faith, not by sight. All right. This is one. These are the tape-ins. Some of them got wet when I washed them, but I don't think that's gonna have an effect on, you know, if it sticks or not. So your girl got 16 inches, and I'm looking and I'm like, my hair might be like 16 inches, but it might not. I'm pushing it. I tried it. That's why I got these. So I'm very excited. I'm excited, I'm nervous. I'm a little all of the above. A little all of the above, because I ain't never done these. I ain't never been with a baby. I'm gonna stop talking and we just gonna get to working. So I know I do want a potential middle part, right? Ooh, that was not straight. I do want a potential middle part. I think that would be uber cute for the girlies. Ooh, bust down middle part. Stop playing with her. And I wear my parts on my left side because I like, you know, I like my hair over here. But then I was thinking, do I want it that versatile? I think I do. If I'm gonna do it, I might as well do it. I might want to do a half up, half down as well. This is 4 styles already. Left, right, middle, and half up, half down. This is not including the perimeter. I got this much parted. I got the top, I got the top, I got the sides. You know, when I pull it back or I pull it up, So now I'm going to do the perimeter of my hair. And yeah, so this is all that I'm working with. I have everything sectioned off. This is my section. Okay, okay. So pray for me, y'all. But I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get into these tape-ins. Let's go. Okay, so this is where we are. I ain't even gonna hold you. I don't know what this shit look like in the back. I have no idea what it looks like in the back. Does it feel smooth? Yes. Yes, it does. It feels smooth. I'm gonna pull it up. Like, it doesn't feel like any bumps. So I hope it turns out good. Okay? Okay. So I'm hitting almost the halfway mark. So I did leave like a couple spaces. Like I said, I don't know what it looks like, but I know that when I was like taking it apart and trying to section off the hairs, I did like leave out some pieces. Like I'm okay with leaving that out, or like I just want this little piece. I didn't really concentrate on having every single piece like this. It was okay to have a little natural in between, so it could just blend in a little better. I think that's my thought process. Okay. Yeah, it should fall like this, right? Right? I ain't tripping, right? So I put two tape-ins like this. Okay, let's do this. So what I've been doing is taking my rat tail home and putting it right at the bottom of the tape-in. I need to have the tape-in facing me with the non-sticky side and not the sticky side. because that's what's fucking me up. Okay, so we got our nice little section, and now we're going to put it on here. Put it right here. Y'all, I've been sitting in front of this ring light for like 2.5 hours. Why? Because I can't see the back of my head. So, whatever this brings, whatever is given, this is it. Because I'm tired. It's giving Diana Ross. It's going to take a lot of water. A lot of water. I'm about to find some stuff to put in it. Well, I actually have some mousse. What's this? Volumizing. Don't need that. Do not need volumizing. I just need something. Ooh, that's more. Something to hold these curls. Something. You know what I'm saying? Something. The oil. Hair. And this is not nearly what I'm literally speeding it up for y'all. I'll actually do a separate video on like styling and stuff. This is just, you know, for the sake of the video. Cause it's gonna take more time to style this. And plus, I think I do need it shaped. I need my hair here. I feel like if I just get it shaped, y'all, this is it. Put all this damn product in my hair. It's the fact that my actual hair, yeah, when this shit dries, I'm gonna have to go back in and fix it because my hair needs to blend in. The front is really bothering me. Oh my god. The hair is bomb. If I could just get it together, the hair is bomb. But yeah. Cause like this is my hair right here. This is my hair. Where'd it go? My hair. Okay, my hair. Where'd it go? Yes, okay. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I like it. I like it. I just have to get used to it. For sure, I have to get used to it. I think next time, or when I actually do a video on styling it, because I'm coming back. When I actually do a video on styling it, then I'll do it in sections. And this was just some quick, I just threw some stuff in here. Ponytail test. Ponytail test again. Can we do it? Is it given? Is it given? It looks like it's given. Hold up, did I do something? Hold on. Cause you know they passed the ponytail test. Is it giving naturalista? Is it giving naturalista? Is it giving this is my hair? Is it giving? I think it's giving. Once again, I'm having that debate. If I can feel it, can they see it? I don't know. But hopefully it feels flat. It feels flat. But that is it. That is all. Thank you guys for watching this kinky curly tutorial. Kinky curly tape ends. Literally, you cannot see where my hair starts and ends. I love this for me. You cannot tell where it starts and where it ends. This video is getting pretty long, and this is my tutorial, my how-to, my DIY on how to do kinky curly black girl tapings. Okay, and I'll be back with you guys on a video on how to style this. So stay tuned, please. But in the meantime, in between time, oh, alright. Thanks for watching.